here. We're here at
the market, and we
bought
bought some ingredients for the
pancit.
pancit. Yes.
Oh, kasama ko. Do you see
Right
that?
now we are going to
Ride a motorcycle.
and buy a dog food. We are buying
You.
for our dog Marcin.
Wow.
Yes. We buy some dog food,
Where?
and after that we are going to eat Mami.
Noodles.
Yes.
Ramen. Here. We are at the parking. Yes. And ride it.
Motorcycle.
Yay! Woo! Ano mata?
Oh, don't use any words. English only. Wait.
Wait, the rock. You forget it. Bye-bye.
Okay, let's go.
Oh, hi. Okay. We're riding.
We have no car.
So hot.
It is so hot. And my motor is so noisy. Because I don't have a motorcycle car. We are only cheap, you know. Focus on my face.
Chip is the one who's
Yeah.
walking.
No, walking is best than
I forgot my
riding the
umbrella.
motorcycle.
Because
You are rushing late. We are done in
market,
market and
church.
church. Now we are going to buy dog food for Marcin
Yes.
right here.
Okay.
Oh, you forgot an eco bag.
Oh my gosh.
Magkano na?
Okay.
1/4. 1/4.
5. 1/2.
1/2.
Adult. English English. English. Yung 100.
Binigay ko sa'yo. Binigay ko sa'yo.
Adult.
Mano?
Yung kalahati.
Kalahati lang ko yan.
Yung 100.
Binigay ko sa'yo.
Wala.
Huh?
Wag mo. The 100 pesos.
We lost the 100 pesos.
Wala
Wala sa akin.
Nakakatang.
Huh? Sa'yo to. Ito.
Ano to?
Pinakanukos kanina sa Senis.
Ay, 1. Sayang.
Magkano kaya?
How
Well,
much?
We are done buying dog food. We are at in the market.
Thank you pa.
Yes, Adesa,
What? We're done.
we're done buying dog food.
Bot.
Oh, you hold
That's
it.
two.
You hold it. It's too hot.
In the Philippines.
And now we are going to eat Mami.
Ramen.
Yes. Now,
Thank you po.
thank
Ramen
you.
in the Philippines.
How many minutes?
4 minutes. Oh, it's done.
Wait,
There's a lot of choices here.
wait.
Next is the Mami.
Sorry for the noise because we are at the highway right now.
Yes, we're riding motorcycle. Yan. I hope you
You forgot the eco bag.
What?
You forgot the eco bag.
Okay.
Your English is Carabao. Tomorrow you have a class.
Yes.